Welcome to the future of entertainment, where IPTV Smarter's player transforms streaming into an art. Stay tuned as we unveil the secrets to optimizing your viewing experience effortlessly. First things first, learn the installation steps on different devices, smart TVs, smartphones, or tablets. You will be amazed at how smooth and swift the process can be, even for beginners. Now, let's dive into the settings that give you the ultimate control. Customizing the user interface can enhance accessibility and make navigation a breeze, tailored just for you. Our favorite part, exploring the extensive library of channels available, whether international news or blockbuster movies. IPTV Smarter's player brings the world to your fingertips. Tired of buffering? We've got tips to optimize your internet connection, ensuring smooth streaming without interruptions. Leveraging IPTV Smarter's player's robust features for minimal lag. Transform your streaming experience today with IPTV Smarter's player. Subscribe now at https://www.2tv.store/ and dive into a world of choices that redefine home entertainment.